Hi there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 435D Gran Coupe here at Your Next Car. So I'll walk around the vehicle and I'll talk to you some of the features and options we have on this particular vehicle. Starting with the front of the vehicle, where you'll of course see the Your Next Car performance kit, which is fitted all in-house here. On this particular vehicle we've gone for the gloss black kidney grills and the satin front splitter. Being it's on a 2017 67 reg, it is a facelift model, so we do have the facelifted front headlights. We've also fitted the 405M replica 20-inch alloys. These alloys themselves are all brand new with brand new tyres. Down the side of the vehicle we have the satin vinyls and performance decals and satin sidebars. It does benefit from having privacy glass. Inside the car we have a black Dakota leather with the electric function and memory function on the driver's side. It has the Estral blue interior details on the aluminum hexagon interior trim on the dashboard and center console. In the rear it is of course all ISOFIX ready. Moving around to the rear of the car, where we have a satin rear spoiler and a satin rear diffuser. Being a 435D, of course, it gets the superb BMW X-Drive four-wheel drive system as standard. Another part of the facelift was the facelifted rear tail lights, which are now a full LED unit, along with being an all-red rear. So this part used to be orange, and now it's all red. It looks a lot smarter. Of course, the Gran Coupes have a fully automated opening and closing tailgate. It also has folding seats for that bit of extra room should you need it. However, the boot space on these is huge, so plenty of space in there. Give you a nice little side view of the 405 20-inch alloys. Okay, so moving on into the front of the vehicle, you can see the memory function on the driver's side. Of course, you get 4 electric windows. We have a multi-function M Sport steering wheel with the 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift. Automatic headlights and automatic wipers. This 4 Series has the optional extra Murano leather dashboard, as you can see there. So it goes all the way across, which is another nice option. It has the BMW Professional Wide Navigation and Media. It is also the facelifted iDrive, of course, being on a 67 reg. So there is a few more functions and features within that. One of those being the online connected drive online search. If we go into my vehicle, we can see all the vehicle status, so the service items. If we go down to engine oil, you'll see it's not due a service for 13,000 miles, so plenty of life in that yet. And there is 1 recorded service, which was done at 19,829. The vehicle itself has only covered just over 27,000 miles, so this is a lovely low mileage example. We of course have got heated seats in the front, Bluetooth communications and media, DAB, and a wide array of other multimedia inputs as well. We have cruise control, speed limiter, voice recognition, volume controls for the stereo and other functions as well. And it is a lovely clean and tidy example inside and out. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the little walk around video of the 435D Gran Coupe in mineral grey. We hope you found the video useful, and of course we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, take care, bye bye.